Once upon a time, in a peaceful village near a mosque, there lived a little sparrow named Safa. Safa loved flying around the village every morning after hearing the adhan for Fajr. One day, Safa found a shiny golden seed near the mosque door. It was the most beautiful seed she had ever seen. "Oh, this is so pretty," Safa thought. "I could keep it for myself." But then she remembered what her mother had taught her. Allah loves those who are honest. Safa looked around and saw a young boy crying. "I lost my special seed," the boy said sadly. "It was for my sick mother." Safa's heart felt heavy. She knew the seed belonged to the boy. Even though she really liked it, she flew down and gently dropped the seed in front of him. "Is this yours?" she chirped. The boy's face lit up with joy. "Yes, thank you," he said. "Now my mother will be happy." That night, Safa slept peacefully. The next morning, Allah rewarded her honesty. The garden near the mosque was filled with fresh grains and sweet water, more than Safa had ever seen before. Safa happily chirped. Being honest makes Allah pleased. Moral of the story: Allah loves honesty. When we do the right thing, Allah rewards us in ways we may not expect.